Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix the AC that smells like pee, and I'm also going to explain to you actually why your air conditioner smells like pee and how you can get rid of this odor. So first of all, a urine-like smell is usually caused by the bacteria, mold, or contaminated standing water inside your air conditioner. And in some cases, it can also happen if the rodents or the small animals have entered the unit. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to simply start by checking the air filters. So if the air filter are dirty, you just have to simply replace them, or you can also clean them first. Now, a clogged filter traps the moisture and the organic materials, creating the perfect environment for the odor-causing bacteria. After doing so, you need to simply inspect the evaporator coil and the drain pan. If you notice slime, mold, or standing water, you just have to simply clean the coil with the air conditioner safe coil cleaner and make sure that the drain pan and the drain line are also completely clear. A blocked drain can keep the water trapped inside the unit, causing the unpleasant smells. Now, if the odor is strong when the AC is turned on, you can just simply look around the indoor unit for the sign of any rodents or insects, such as droppings or nesting materials or debris. So, removing the source and thoroughly cleaning the affected area will usually eliminate the smell. Now, after cleaning everything, you need to simply run the AC on the fan only mode for about 20 to 30 minutes, and this is going to help dry the evaporator coil, and it will also reduce the moisture that allows the bacteria and the mold to grow. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the smell is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.